Hi, welcome back to Beauty and Food, and I'm your host today, Gladys. So today let's do some food hunt of dessert, and today we are at Cendol and Rojak Taman Kosas. So let's go. It's a very famous local dessert, and this can't wait anymore. It's melting, so let's try. This is good. This is made from coconut milk, and then with some pulut and some red beans and corn, and also of course last but not least is the Cendol. So it seems like very simple, but the combination gives you a very sweet taste. Of course dessert must be sweet, right? And the sticky rice gives you a very tender, very chewy taste. Good. You guys must try on this. So the second one is the pasambo. Pasambo, normally people will call this as Rojak. This is a Penang style Rojak, and this is made up from different kinds of veggie, which is the cucumbers and some tofu, and also egg, and also the squids. So let's try. The sauce is actually sweet. This is a tofu, and they have some crackers inside here. I'll rate it with 8 out of 10. It's very good taste, crispy, and the sauce is really good. But the spicy level, maybe for me is like 3 out of 5. Yeah, it's quite spicy actually. So for this one, I will rate this with 8 out of 10, as it's very rich ingredients, have different kinds of ingredients, and the sauce also very rich. And for the Cendol, even though it's like very simple one, but all the ingredients is like very good, very fresh. Cendol, I will definitely rate it with 7 out of 10. Yeah. Thanks for watching Beauty and Food with me, and I'm Gladys. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.